In less than 7 minutes, I'll show you how to make money with NFT freelancing. So if that's what you want, please watch this video to the end. I'll walk you through on how to make money with NFTs as a freelancer. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through NFT freelancing. I believe all of you here know what freelancing is. So today we are going to be scaling up. Hence, NFTs are trading now. If you should be doing NFT freelancing, there is a high possibility of you getting more profit and interest margin. So let me walk you through the process. I don't want this video to be so long. I just want to give you a brief summary so you can do more research. Then my aim of doing this video is to help you get the idea that doing NFT freelancing can be of help and can boost your income also. So let's move straight to it and let me show you how you can do this. So let's move to my Chrome browser, and here is Fiverr.com. So in Fiverr.com, you can see here are lots of works, freelancing works you can do for people. You can do logo and brand identity, logo designs, brand style guides. You can do a lot of things like web and app design, web design, app design, UX design, and a lot of things. If you come to the writing category, you can see articles and blogs, translations, website content, brand voice and tone, and a lot more. If you go to digital marketing, we have marketing strategy, but what we are going to be dealing with today is NFT. And as you can see here, where can you find the category of NFT? That is where we have to go to what? Trending. If you go now to the internet and search for NFTs, you will see that this has been trending a lot. This is a great, you will see a lot of content about NFT. Everybody is talking about NFTs and everybody wants to do NFT. So my goal here is to teach you how to do NFT freelancing. You can come over to Fiverr or any of those freelancing sites and then offer your works to do NFT freelancing for clients who are doing NFT businesses. So you can come over here to trending. You will see NFT services, NFT ads, NFT development, NFT promotion checkline. So if you are a developer and you can develop an NFT development, then you have opportunity to make great money. So if we go to NFT services now, we click on that, you can see here NFT ad collections to show off. These persons now are making all these collections and selling them to people who are launching their NFTs to great markets like OpenSea. If you don't know about OpenSea is like the biggest market so far for NFTs. So OpenSea, just right there, OpenSea, and you'll see here is OpenSea.io, the biggest market so far for NFTs. So here is discover, collect, and sell extraordinary NFTs. So let's move back to what I was saying. So you can see all these people here have these NFT collections that they have created. So if you can create designs like this and list them over here, you say this one is doing for 25 bucks, this one is doing for 10 bucks, this one is doing for 100 bucks, man. So if you sell this, and you can see here he's having 5 stars review, that is for 48 people have seen this. So definitely there is a great chance of this man getting sales. So let's scroll down and you will see, yes, here is NFT game development, NFT game art, and you can see people are doing a lot of great things. Just get creative with all of these things and you will get yourself some bucks. This one's are NFT gifts, and NFTs are doing great. So you can see here NFT gifts. Let's click on that and see if it's going to, you see. So people are selling all these gifts and they are making money. You can see how much they are charging. This one is charging $30, this one is charging $10, $25, $25 and $10. you can also do this if you have that creative design, and you can become a freelancer. You come over to this freelancing site, you sign up, you put your credential, you upgrade your account to be looking perfect, and then you list your service here. And then people who want to like sell NFTs on OpenSea, who want to sell their NFTs here on OpenSea, they will come over to Fiverr here and buy your NFT and go back to list it. This is for people who want to list NFTs on this market because they know that this is a great deal and it will make great money in the future, but they don't want to create NFTs, or either they don't know how to create NFTs but they are interested in the game. So they know that if they can buy NFTs from freelancer in Fiverr and then post it on OpenSea, they will be having a chance to make great money. So they are willing to pay money for them to buy all those NFTs. So as I told you earlier on, this video was just a quick brief about how to do NFT freelancing. If you want me to go in depth about this topic, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have got any value or at any point I have said anything that seems helpful to you, please do well to subscribe and smash the like button. That helps me a lot. The summary of what I have said today is just NFT freelancing. You go to Fiverr or any other freelancing sites, Upwork, depending on the one you want. Then you create your NFT designs here on Fiverr, and then someone who wants to sell NFTs on OpenSea or the other big NFT markets will come over and buy NFT designs you have created from you, and then they'll go ahead and sell them or list them on OpenSea for sales. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.